Yes, hello. I have a signal. We're at the crash site. Send help immediately. Look at the fractures near the view. The corrosion is extensive.
The structural integrity is failing faster than we thought.
Copy that, boss.
Let's get this moving.
Eve, keep it coming.
Almost there. Connect it right here.
Secure the main strut.
Cables are tight, ready for tension.
Final checks complete. Take the strain. And lift. Watch the starboard side. Keep it steady. We have a slight yaw to the port side. Adjusting tension on line 3.
Copy that. Maintain current ascent rate.
We need more tension on strap 4. Check the alignment.
Copy that. Applying pressure now. It's secure.
Check the starboard engine mounts again, making sure the rust isn't flaking too much.
Confirmed. They are secure. Road ahead is clear.
Maintain current velocity. Ensure the rear stabilizers are secure over the rough patch ahead.
I cannot believe my eyes.
Is it real?
Look how big it is. The engines are massive.
See the fuselage near the landing gear. That's the stress point we monitored.
Convoy approaching waypoint, Charlie.
Roger that, Charlie.
Convoy, hold position at grid marker 4.
Copy that. Marker 4. Cranes are aligning now.
Adjusting angle on the east boom. Tension steady at 50%.
Copy that. Proceeding with the main lift.
Just another meter up. Descent at 0.5 meters per minute.
Roger. Maintaining bearing.
Okay, easy now. Rotate it just a little to the right.
Confirmed. Rotation initiated. Keep an eye on the stress points. Roger that. Easy up on the main hoist.
Hold position. We have a possible shear point on the wing structure.
Acknowledged. Stabilizing now.
Look at the stress fractures near the third support beam.
Arm 3, you are clear on the starboard side.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. It's moving. Ready. Watch the clearance on the left.
The stress analysis on this panel looks good.
Yes, but verify the rivets on the leading edge again.
The pitting here is extensive. We need to ensure the new plates hold the load.
Agreed. The thermal imaging shows good penetration on the welds.
The stress fracture here is significant, confirming the stage 2 assessment.
Yes, the pitting extends deeper than anticipated.
This entire section for reinforcement.
What about the stress fracture near the nacelle?
We finished the last panel.
So this is stage 3 completion. The welds look solid.
Agreed. The structural integrity is fully restored.
Check the readings on the landing gear support beam.
Running the diagnostic now. Looks good, well within tolerance.
Ensure all shavings are cleared from the seat tracks before the final wipe down.
Secure that tie wrap tightly, we can't have any slack.
Already done. Moving to the next section now.
We need to route this bundle over the oxygen lines. Okay, watch the clearance on frame 42.
According to the revised plan, these seats go in section 42.
Yes, I double-checked the schematic this morning.
Ensure the alignment is perfect on the tracks before locking it down.
Yes, calibrating now. We'll move to the next row.
Overhead latches checked and secured.
Confirmed. Row 22 alignment is complete.
Copy that. Monitoring hydraulics.
All primary flight displays are nominal.
Confirmed. System check.
Fuselage looks smooth, ready for primer.
Agreed. We need to double-check the sealant around this seam before we move to stage 4.
Wow, look at that finish.
It's incredible, isn't it? The precision is unmatched.
It's perfect. Great work, everyone.
The reflections really highlight the curvature.
I've noted the panel alignment here.
And with that, the restoration is complete. The Queen of the Skies is reborn, ready to soar once again.